Hi, little baby.
Aww.
What?
A cute baby.
Oh yeah, you are cute. You are a cute baby. Look who I have with me.
Hi guys.
See, I told you JoJo was alive. Look who's here too. Look what Belle got. Belle. Bellamy. Show everybody. What you got? What you got? Let me see. Where's the flower? And the pumpkin? Oh my gosh. Let me smell it. Ooh, nice. We are shopping for Thanksgiving. No, you gotta stay in here. Sit down with your pumpkin. Sit down with your pumpkin. Ew, pies. You getting a pumpkin pie?
I need to get one more pie.
She's gonna throw that damn pumpkin out, ain't she? Sit down with your pumpkin. Sit down. You want me to smell it? Ooh, that smells good. You smell it. Smell it, Mommy. Oh my gosh. Got your ham? Oh yeah.
Is it big enough?
Yeah, how many people are going to be there? How many people?
Not a lot.
Then that's enough.
You know they wanted for having that and turkey.
Oh, you're good.
Yeah.
And other stuff, you're good. It's just a little, that's what I'm doing.
Mommy. Mom, quiet. It smells so good too.
Did you just call me Grandma? Did she just call me Grandma?
Did you call your grandma?
Let me smell. Oh, nice. It sounded like she said, try it, Grandma. What's my name? Melissa? Missa. Yeah, there we go. Lissa. Lissa. Sure. I'll take it. Just don't call me late for dinner.
Lisa. Hi, Lisa.
Ooh. Oh, you're done?
Baby shark.
She wants to hug the baby shark. No way, I'm not giving it to her. Shoot.
The Beal song?
Huh? He's a mean one, Mr. Grinch.
No.
What? Why are you Say hi. Say hi, YouTube. Say hi, YouTube. Why? Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, Benny.
Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, little baby.
Hi, little baby.
Aww.
Why?
A cute baby.
Oh yeah, you are cute. You are a cute baby. She said, "Oh, I'm a cute baby." You see yourself? I see you.
Yeah.
I see you. I see Belle. I see the cute baby. And we're back. Ew. George came to steal his baby. Go steal your baby here. Ew, George, you look. Who? She wants to see herself.
Baby.
Baby.
I said baby.
Wait, George, is she allowed to be on the vlog?
Yeah.
Oh, he said yeah, so. Anyway, I got the groceries. And I have to, right now I'm making my sofrito. And because I don't have enough room in my fridge now, so I have to do, and remember my blender broke? Yeah. So I have to use this little contraption here, and I'm doing it from here. So right now I have the olive oil and the garlic. This is just a different way I gotta do it. So I'm gonna make it work, because that's what we do, right? Yes, we do. So hopefully, I mean, I've done it like this before. I really need to buy a new thing. I'm trying to get ready with everything. I got my turkey. It's partially thawed. It's not all the way frozen, which is good, because then it'll be ready to cook and I won't have to wait for it. So I'm doing, right now I'm doing like 3 cold. I could do each separate, but I ain't gonna do it like that. I'm just gonna throw all the good stuff little by little. So I got 3 cloves in there. Ooh. I'm going to take some of these red sweet pepper, pimento, and this is the quicker way. I have green peppers, but I didn't buy any red peppers, so I'm doing some of that. This is just, I'm gonna say this is the lazy way. That's how I am doing it. I'm gonna rip off some cilantro, stick that up in there, and I have a green pepper. I'm gonna cut that up real quick because the cilantro is going bad because I bought it a couple days ago. So I love the smell of cilantro. Cilantro. I got some nuts, so I put the nuts in here. And yeah, I need to wash dishes. I know, but I was out all day. You saw, and it doesn't help that my sink is extra small. And yeah, where's my sponge? There we go. See, I like this sponge. Can you see it? This is the sponge I like to use because I have nails. Kilo hates this sponge. He likes to use these sponges, but whatever. To each his own. I have a nice batch of sofrito for my food. I stock it, so I keep it in the freezer. And like you guys know, you saw that. If you didn't see that, there's a video of me making sofrito. So I use every piece of green without getting the seeds in there. So I'm gonna cut these smaller, kind of, because it's going in this food smoothie thingy. I hope it does what it needs to do. If not, still gonna taste good. All the stuff is still in it. So I'm putting one in here. Kids are still at school. I have about an hour before Angie comes home. Just a day in the life. that's what I'm doing. Let me see. Let me show you. Oh yeah. Bon appetit. Okay, so this one, I have an old olive jar. Pour that one in here. If I could find, I got lucky because I can't find the top for this one, but I still, the top for the red peppers. This I got from the dollar store, by the way, for $1. It fits, so that's what I'm doing. Boom. Actually, I might as well just freeze everything. Yes. Yes. Could have more garlic in it, but it doesn't. Oh well. So here's my batches of sofrito plus the other one. So that all together was 2 bunches of cilantro. 3 green peppers, 1 thing of this, 4 and 1 whole like bunch of garlic clove, and 1 small onion. Yeah. And tastes good. Oh yeah, I taste that garlic. Okay. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna clean up my kitchen, and that is it basically, because when the kids get home, I gotta start cooking dinner. And you know me, I need a nap. It has been a long day. Girl, that baby is crazy. George, your baby is crazy. I had to keep occupying her, because if I didn't occupy her, and you know, kids listen. Somebody drank the rest of my stuff. Kids listen better to other people. You know how that is. Here's my tea, guys. My Tulsi tea. I got it on Amazon. I'll try to link it down below. But you could actually do this in a coffee pot if you really wanted to. Nah, because it needs to steep, right? But you can use a coffee filter. Heat it up. Use a coffee filter. Close it like that. And because these are pure leaves. Tulsi leaves. Oh yeah. It smells so good too. But it's not sweet at all. No, it's not. There's yellow teas. Tulsi tea is, I don't know. It's Tulsi. I don't know, it's Tulsi leaves. It's supposed to be good for you. Anyway, that's all she wrote. I don't have nothing else to talk about. Until the next video, I will catch you on the flip side. I hope you guys have a great day or night whenever you are watching this here video. And just know that if nobody told you that you are important today, and if nobody told you that they freaking love you, just know that I freaking love you, man. Catch you on the flip side.